Hey, so if you're thinking about using Reddit Business to either grow your sales or your business income, I'm gonna tell you this up front. Most people are really sleeping on this platform, and that's exactly why you should at least try it. So look, if you wanna get started, you can actually check out the link down below. It'll get you access to basically the best current deal or promo that they have available. But let me explain exactly why I'm saying this, because normally when I review anything, I'll give pros, cons, I'll tell you what I like, what I don't want, what I don't like. But with Reddit Business, it's honestly mostly upside so long as you use it correctly. Now, here's the big difference. On most platforms, you're basically like interrupting people, right? On Reddit, you're entering conversations that are already happening. And those conversations are usually happening around problems, decisions, comparisons, basically buying behavior. That's a completely different environment. People aren't just watching content, they're actually thinking. They're asking questions like, what's the best option for this? Has anyone tried that? Is this worth the money? And they're getting real answers from real users, which is why Reddit has built this reputation of being one of the most trusted places online for opinions. So when you introduce Reddit Business into that environment, you're not just running ads, you're positioning yourself in front of people who are already in decision mode. That's extremely valuable. And on top of that, Reddit is still not as saturated as platforms like Facebook or Google Ads. So in many cases, you can test things with less competition, sometimes even lower costs, and still reach very specific audiences because the targeting is actually really strong. So for example, if your product solves a clear problem, there's a very good chance that your audience already exists on Reddit. Now, here's the reality check, right? This platform rewards authenticity. So if you try to come in with very overly polished corporate style ads, it's probably not gonna go well. But if you keep it real, keep it like down to earth, and you actually provide value, if your messaging feels natural, that's where things can click. And when it does, you can get some of the highest quality traffic out there. So overall, yeah, I think Reddit Business is a no-brainer, at least to test out. And again, that link down below will get you their best deal. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you later.